Most Volkswagen owners don't really get a full explanation of their car. You're shown the basics, handed the keys, and then expected to figure out the rest over time, if you ever do. A lot of useful features don't get mentioned at delivery, and unless you dig through menus or stumble across them by accident, they stay hidden. This video is about those things that usually get skipped. Today, I'm showing you 10 more hidden features in your modern Volkswagen. Small settings, built-in behaviors, and everyday functions that are already part of the car, but rarely pointed out or explained. This is part 2 of the series, and just like before, I'll keep everything practical and straightforward, focusing only on features you can actually use. Let's go ahead and start with the features. Feature number 10, automatic air recirculation when using washer fluid. Here's a feature that most Volkswagen owners don't realize exists, mainly because it doesn't announce itself, and it doesn't require you to turn anything on. On many modern Volkswagens, when you spray the windshield washer fluid, the car will automatically switch the climate system to air recirculation for a short time. The purpose is to stop the washer fluid smell, or strong outside odors, from being pulled straight into the cabin through the ventilation system. What makes this easy to miss is how subtle it is. There's usually no notification, no warning sound, and nothing you need to confirm. The system activates on its own, stays on just long enough to do its job, and then quietly switches back to fresh air without you having to touch anything. Depending on your model, you might briefly see the recirculation symbol turn on in the climate display and then turn off again. On other cars, it happens entirely in the background. Either way, it's designed to work automatically, so you don't have to think about it while driving. It's a small feature, but it shows how Volkswagen designs comfort systems to work together rather than as separate controls. Once you notice it, you'll realize how often the car is making small adjustments like this to improve the driving experience without drawing attention to itself. Feature number 9, automatic fan speed adjustment based on cabin conditions. This is another feature that's easy to overlook because it doesn't sit behind a button and it doesn't ask for your input. On many modern Volkswagens, the climate control system automatically adjusts fan speed based on what's happening inside the cabin. Instead of running at one fixed speed, the system increases or reduces airflow depending on cabin temperature, humidity, and how far the interior is from your set temperature. For example, when you first start the car on a hot or cold day, the fan may run stronger to reach the desired temperature faster. Once the cabin stabilizes, it gradually quiets down without you having to manually change anything. The same thing can happen in changing weather conditions, where the system subtly adapts to keep things consistent. What makes this different from older systems is how smooth the changes are. You don't get sudden blasts of air or abrupt drops in airflow. The adjustments happen gradually, so the cabin stays comfortable without drawing attention to the system itself. It's one of those features that doesn't feel impressive until you drive a car without it, and then you realize how much work it was quietly doing in the background the whole time. Feature number 8, automatic interior light dimming while driving at night. This is a feature many drivers experience without realizing it's actually intentional. When you drive your Volkswagen at night, especially on darker roads, the car can automatically dim the interior lighting. Things like dashboard brightness, ambient lighting, and sometimes infotainment illumination. The goal is to reduce glare and eye strain, so your focus stays on the road rather than on bright surfaces inside the cabin. As lighting conditions change, entering a well-lit area or driving under streetlights, the brightness can subtly increase again. When it gets darker, it dims back down. All of this happens automatically based on exterior light sensors. Most drivers never touch the brightness controls because the system is already adjusting in the background. And if you've ever noticed the interior looking slightly different at night compared to dusk, that's usually this feature at work. It's a quiet adjustment, but it plays a big role in making night driving feel calmer and less tiring without you having to manage another setting. Feature number 7, speed-sensitive volume adjustment. This is one of those features that many Volkswagen owners notice indirectly, but never realize it's a setting you can control. As you drive faster, road noise and wind noise naturally increase. On many modern Volkswagens, the audio system can automatically adjust the volume based on vehicle speed. That means when you're cruising at higher speeds, the system slightly raises the volume so your music, navigation prompts, or calls stay clear. When you slow down, the volume gently lowers again. What makes this feel natural is how subtle the changes are. The volume doesn't jump suddenly, and it doesn't feel like the system is fighting your settings. It's designed to compensate just enough so the sound level feels consistent, regardless of how fast you're driving. You'll usually find this option in the audio or sound settings under something like speed-dependent volume. Most cars let you choose how strong the adjustment is, or turn it off entirely if you prefer manual control. Once it's set the way you like, it becomes one of those background features you don't think about. Everything just sounds balanced, whether you're in city traffic or on the highway. Feature number 6, automatic window reopen protection, pinch protection logic. This is a safety feature that many Volkswagen owners don't realize is built into the window system, and most only notice it once it happens. On modern Volkswagens, the power windows are designed with pinch protection. If the system senses resistance while a window is closing, something like a hand, an object, or even unusual pressure, the window will immediately stop and reverse direction. What's interesting is how sensitive the system is. It doesn't rely on a separate sensor you can see. Instead, it monitors the window motor's load in real time. If the resistance doesn't feel normal, the car assumes something is in the way and reacts instantly. This can sometimes surprise owners during winter or after a car wash, when ice buildup or dirt in the window track causes extra resistance. The window rolls up part way, then drops back down. When that happens, the car isn't malfunctioning. It's doing exactly what it's designed to do. It's a feature you rarely think about, but it's always active, quietly protecting passengers and preventing damage without needing any input from you. Feature number 5, automatic brake drying in wet conditions. This is a feature most drivers never see or hear, but it's working in the background, especially when it's raining. On many modern Volkswagens, the car can lightly apply the brakes automatically in wet conditions to help keep them dry. When you're driving in rain and using the wipers, the system periodically brings the brake pads very close to the discs, without actually slowing the car down in a noticeable way. The idea is to remove the thin layer of water that builds up on the brake discs while driving in the rain. That way, when you actually need to brake, the response is more immediate and consistent. You won't feel it through the pedal, and you won't see a warning light. It's designed to be subtle and completely unobtrusive. Most drivers only learn about it by reading deep into the manual, or when a technician explains how the braking system works in wet weather. It's another example of how Volkswagen builds safety features that operate quietly in the background, improving control without changing how you drive or asking you to manage another setting. Feature number 4, automatic hill recognition, throttle and brake coordination on slopes. This is a feature many drivers experience without realizing the car is actively helping. When you stop on an incline, whether you're facing uphill or downhill, many modern Volkswagens can recognize the slope automatically and adjust how the brakes and throttle respond when you move off. Instead of the car rolling slightly or feeling rushed, the system holds the car steady for a brief moment and coordinates a smooth transition as you accelerate. What makes this different from older systems is how natural it feels. There's no sudden grab, no delay that makes the car feel hesitant. The hold is brief and precise, just long enough to prevent unwanted movement before you're fully moving again. You don't need to activate anything manually, and you don't need to think about it while driving. The system continuously monitors vehicle angle and brake pressure, stepping in only when it's needed. It's one of those features that quietly reduces stress in everyday driving, especially in traffic, parking ramps, or stop-and-go situations on uneven roads, without ever drawing attention to itself. Feature number 3, automatic indicator volume adjustment. This is a small detail, but once you notice it, you realize how carefully Volkswagen tunes the driving environment. On many modern Volkswagens, the turn signal click sound can automatically adjust its volume based on cabin noise. When the car is quiet, like at low speeds or when stopped, the indicator sound is softer. As road and wind noise increase, the click becomes slightly louder so you can still hear it clearly. The goal isn't to make it noticeable, it's to make sure the signal is always audible without being distracting. You don't have to strain to hear it on the highway, and it doesn't feel overly loud in slow traffic or at a stoplight. Most drivers never touch this setting, and many don't realize the car is adapting at all. But it's another example of how Volkswagen designs small feedback systems to stay consistent and unobtrusive, no matter the driving conditions. It's subtle, but it's part of what makes the car feel balanced and well thought out. Feature number 2, automatic rear defogger time management. This is a feature many Volkswagen owners use regularly, but very few realize the system is actually managing it for them. When you turn on the rear window defogger, the car doesn't just leave it running indefinitely. On many modern Volkswagens, the system automatically switches the defogger off after a set period of time, depending on conditions like outside temperature and system load. The reason is efficiency. The rear defogger draws a noticeable amount of electrical power, so instead of relying on you to remember to turn it off, the car handles it automatically once the window is clear. If conditions still require it, the system can cycle intelligently rather than staying on continuously. Most drivers assume the defogger is still on long after it's done its job, when in reality, the car has already switched it off in the background. It's a simple detail, but it helps reduce unnecessary electrical load and keeps the system working efficiently without adding another thing for you to manage while driving. Feature number 1, automatic system wake up before you even touch anything. This is a feature many Volkswagen owners benefit from every day without realizing the car is already preparing itself before they interact with it. When you unlock your Volkswagen or open the driver's door, several systems wake up in the background automatically. Depending on the model, this can include initializing electronics, preparing climate settings, priming displays, and getting driver assist systems ready, so everything responds instantly once you start driving. That's why, in many VBWs, the infotainment screen loads quickly, climate controls respond immediately, and warning systems are already active the moment the car is started. The vehicle isn't booting up at ignition, it's already partially awake. This pre-activation reduces delays, improves system reliability, and creates a smoother overall experience without adding any steps for the driver. It's subtle, but it's one of the reasons modern Volkswagens feel responsive and refined compared to older vehicles. It's a good example of how many features in your car aren't things you turn on, but systems working quietly to make everything else feel seamless. That brings us to the end of part 2 of the Hidden Volkswagen Features series. If you learned something new from this video, make sure to like it and share it. It really helps this reach more Volkswagen owners who might not even realize these features are built into their cars. And if you enjoy practical, straightforward Volkswagen content like this, subscribe to the channel, Volkswagen Hub. More videos like this are coming, focused on real features, real settings, and real tips you can actually use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.